Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So as discussed in the previous video, today we are gonna see what we can do with this data. We have the table out here. Let's find out some insights. And how can we find out some insights? We'll do a pivot table out here. So if you don't know how to create a pivot table, guys, just watch my previous lectures. I have clearly mentioned how to uh, start with pivot tables. What are the shortcuts? And there are two ways you can put a pivot table. Either go to insert and click on pivot table, or you can do alt DP. Just click next, new worksheet. Let's see what insights we can get. We'll post the customer ID. This customer ID, why is it coming in? Let's find out some insights, right? I'll put in filter, customer ID, name of the customer. Okay. Which city he belongs. If I put, okay, the column, I don't want, let's see volume. So right now in the pivot table, you can see I'm able to see only the count. You have to go here and go to your value settings. Just change the option to sum. And then what you can do is just sort it, that to it. So instead of name, I don't want name. Let's see city wise. Which city is contributing more towards my company's volume. So Delhi, if you see my data, Delhi is contributing more volume. So if you see, this is the volume which is obtained from the various customers. Now if Delhi, if one volume is sold at 2 rupees, so imagine how much revenue is Delhi making up. So this into 2. So this, and if 2, Delhi is making up 2 rupees. Similarly, Bangalore, Gurgaon is making this much money. And you can find out some insights. You can, so if I take the price as 2 for per volume, you can do a multiplication and get the value, right? Equal to 393, or drag the volume. I showed you how you can drag the formulas and then do a multiplication. You can also do, since the data is small, I am doing a manipulation here itself. Hyderabad into 3 equal to 651 into 2. Something I have done wrong. Into 2, yeah. If you see in terms of my net revenue, my sorry, I think I did not sort it. You can also sort it in descending manner, and I guess Mumbai is performing better than Delhi. You sort this out too. Right. So Mumbai was giving me 1302 before sorting. Since it is out of pivot, it will not give you. But if you do a multiplication with 651, like example, how it was there previously. Mumbai 651 into 2, it will give you 1300 value, which is very much high. So topmost city which is providing in the highest number of revenue is Mumbai, after which is Delhi, and then comes my Guwahati. So this is how you do analysis. Let's see which customer, instead of city, we can also put customer ID. And why I don't understand this? Why my customer IDs are coming in? Custom. Okay. Anyways, we will just convert it. There is an option to just change the values, guys. Yeah. And then what you do is which customer ID is giving a higher profit or higher number of volume, you can say, in terms of volume. So if you see row label, you can rename this as customer ID. So customer ID 4149 is giving me a huge volume of 29209. Again, if one and quantity is priced at 2 rupees, you can do a multiplication of 209 into 2, which is 418 revenue, which is the highest among all the customer IDs. So that's how you do as analysis. You can also do like this, you can create and bring in city, understand in city wise which city is giving a highest amount of what do you call revenue, or you can highest amount of volumes, like Delhi, who was giving a not Delhi, Mumbai, who was giving me a highest amount of volume. Yeah, in under Mumbai, which is the customer ID which is contributing 650 like more towards 651. So if I see 149 and is that ID which is contributing more, like it is contributing 209 volume, post that 127 which is contributing 184 volume. So yeah, that's how you can do your analysis. You can also do other stuffs like concatenating, creating your own custom KPI metric using Excel. So those are all intermediate topics. So I think this is enough for the basics, guys. If you want me to continue the intermediate part, I'll continue the same. Do let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Keep 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 safe, guys, and stay tuned. Thank you so much.